Credit cards are powerful financial tools that let you borrow money from a bank to make purchases, provided you pay it back later. At its core, a credit card is a short-term loan. You are using the bank's money, not your own, every time you swipe. If you carry a balance, banks charge interest. This can be very expensive, often reaching over 20% annually. Understanding your limit and statement cycle is crucial. Avoiding interest depends on paying your full balance before the due date. Debit cards draw directly from your checking account, while credit cards create a debt that you must repay later. Paying only the minimum amount causes interest to compound rapidly, making your original purchase much more expensive over time. The golden rule of credit is simple. Never treat your card as an extension of your income. Use credit responsibly to build your history and protect your wallet. Thanks for watching and stay informed.